Hi guys, this is Mrs. Harrison. Welcome to Video Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about how to use simple cuts to make your videos look more sophisticated and less amateur. I know you're going to be tempted by PowerDirector 12 and all of its fancy transitions, but if you use too many of these between shots, your work will not look very professional. We want to avoid that.
Let's talk about the basics first. What do I mean when I say cut? A cut is the point of transition from shot to shot. The simplest cut involves arranging your shots side by side without using any transitions. Watch the following scene in which I tell the story of making coffee. I've put my different shots together side by side without transitions. Did you notice that I'm using different shots and angles?
Okay, let's talk about some additional cutting tips.
Tip number 1, cut on motion. This is a smoother, less startling transition for the viewer. Let's watch an example of what not to do. The shots in this scene do not flow because the action is stopping between shots. Awkward.
Now let's watch that same scene, which has been edited to cut on motion.
Smoother, right? Tip number 2, eyeline matches. If a character is looking at something, the next shot can be what they are looking at, from their point of view. Tip number 3, take lots of footage. Just like with photography, you should vary your angles and perspectives. Here are a bunch of random shots that avoid a basic straight-on shot.
I hope you learned a little bit today about making cuts, and I cannot wait to see your awesome projects. Remember, take lots of footage. You can never have too much. It's easy to delete, and it's way better than trying to go back and recreate a scene.